In this tutorial, we're going to show you how to reset the Tapo C110 Home Security Wi-Fi camera. So on the camera, at the side, you can see that there is a reset pinhole. Simply use a pin and press on the reset pinhole for about 5 seconds.
Reset successful. Rebooting camera.
The reset is successful and the camera is rebooting. You will need to use your Tapo app to set up and get the camera connected to the network again. So this is how you reset your Tapo C110 Home Security Wi-Fi camera.